Hey guys, I just wanted to go over how to submit your final project. And so the first step is actually being able to submit an STL file. So what I want you to do is go back to a previous assignment and pick one of your designs. Or if you don't have a design that you want to pick, you can literally just go in here, create a new design, and I'm just going to make a hammer here. So we will duplicate this, hold shift, scale it down, and make a little Thor's hammer, get a little bit of a radius, about like that. Same with this guy. Just a little bit of radius. Okay. So there's my module near. So whenever you want to submit something to 3D print, you group it. You go to export. Okay, also you want to be like facing the way you want to 3D print. So we went over this before. So I wouldn't want it to be facing like this, or especially like this would be the worst. You want it to be to where you have to make the leaf mount. So make it the way you need, and then hit export, and then click STL. Okay, so I want you to upload one STL file as part of this. So yeah, it'll ask you, make sure you save it, the title and name. So like, actually I'm going to cancel before we do this. Click here and change the name to whatever you're making. So Thor's hammer, if it's wood, and if there's more than one part, you can put part 1, part 2. Yeah. Save it, upload that STL file, and that's all you got to do for this assignment.